Viewers, welcome back and thanks very much for joining me. What we're seeing here is the sunrise, sunset and moon times for today in Honolulu in the United States of America. The sunrise today, let's just look at the sunrise. 113 degrees southeast. There's Hawaii. We all know Hawaii from the Elvis movie and the time the Brady Bunch went there. Brisbane. Now remember, we just looked at Hawaii, it was 113. Brisbane, it's 116 in Brisbane. Yes, Brisbane. Nearly 8,000 kilometres to the south of Hawaii. Yet, in Brisbane we're seeing the sun rise from here. So we're actually seeing the sun come in from a further southern angle. So go figure. We're getting 3 hours of extra daylight in Brisbane. Almost 3 hours of extra daylight in Brisbane.